How to fix mail slot file system blue screen error on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of blue screen error on your system, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is go to Windows search and type cmd and open command prompt Windows run as administrator mode. Click on run as administrator mode. Command prompt Windows will now open. Now execute these three DISM tool on your system: DISM online scan health, DISM online check health, and DISM online restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time. And once successfully execution of this DISM tool, execute the command sfc scan now. Type sfc space / scan now and press enter and wait till 100% verification completed. It will scan your system. Any corrupted files found in your system, it will repair accordingly. The next workaround, after that, don't forget to restart your system. And the next workaround to fix this issue is go to settings, press Win+I shortcut key to launch Windows settings. Here from the left side, scroll down and click on Windows Update. Here scroll down and click on Update History. Here scroll down and at the bottom of the page you will find the option Uninstall Updates. Click on it and uninstall latest Windows update installed in your system. It may be a cause of error appear after this update, so uninstall Windows latest update installed in your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, open settings page of your system, right click on the start button and choose settings. Here from the left side, click on privacy and security. Thereafter go to right side and click on Windows security and click on virus and threat protection. A new window will open. Here click on scan options and here you will find four options: quick scan, full scan, customized scan, and Microsoft Defender antivirus offline scan. Choose full scan and finally click on scan now and let the window complete the scanning process of your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Launch run dialog box by pressing Win+R shortcut key and here type appwiz.cpl to open program and feature window in control panel. Program and feature window in control panel will open. Here look for recently installed any updates and apps. Simply select it and choose uninstall. It may be a cause of blue screen error appeared. If you have already installed any apps, newly apps, then uninstall it. And after that, restart your system and your problem blue screen error will definitely be resolved. That's all.